Hey everyone, now that we learned about nested while loop, we're gonna dive into the nested for loop. Okay, I'll get you using this what we learned before, the nested while loop. And for the nested for loop, I'll show you. You can start with for, and remember first you need to declare call. Okay, then I'll get rid of this one. All right. Next is the expression. Okay, you got it. So you can get rid of this. And finally, increment. Put it over there. That's the first one. We've done it. And secondly, for the nested for loop, you can just create another for inside for. And you take the row over there and put it there. And we need the expression after this declaration. All right. And you take the increment and increment it over here. And finally, back here, okay. All right, you see how easy, but more importantly, you know how, because the nested for loop, even though it looks easy, but sometimes it might be tricky. And let's say if you want to modify this, I'll give you example. For example, you could do it this way, just like we did before. All right. And you can play around with this. You can also create from here to here, and that is nested for loop for you. And I hope you understand. It's very simple if you understand the concept of while loop. The for loop is much easier. In the next session, we're gonna integrate. We're gonna play around with the for loop and put it inside the program that we made before, the panorama, and see it. Okay, see you in the next session.